Nadula wigs have just been hitting for the past few weeks. So I ordered a bunch of Nadula bye-bye knots. You don't have to do anything to them wigs, and I've just fallen in love with them and their bow. Whether it's a body wave, whether it's a water wave, whether it's a loose deep, whether it's yaggy straight, these wigs are just bomb right out of the pack. I'm down to my last one. Okay, if you look in that description box, you'll see a direct link with all the details, or a direct link to this wig, as well as all the details on this wig. Okay, so it came in a shipping package, and I took it out. That's all I've done. Y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. And just like with the others, y'all know I have to praise this little iridescent bag. I love them because they are great for storage, not just for your wigs, but like all types of stuff. But they do give you a silk storage bag for your unit, which I love. Let's open up this box. So like I said, all I do is take it out to shipping to see what else is in here. First of all, we got the wig. I know what it is. It's my favorite one, I think, out of the entire bunch. Okay, but not only do we have the wig, Nadula also includes tons of extras every time. A brush with their name on it, an edge band with their name on it, these big bows that I know y'all getting tired of. I've been wearing the hell out of these bows. A necklace with it's a little herringbone chain, and it has their name on it as well. 2 packs of HV stocking caps. Another edge band in case you like me and you lose yours, and a pack of press-on nails. And y'all know I'm a press-on nail queen. I ain't been in a salon in forever, so these always come in clutch. Let's talk about this wig. So this wig is, again, a bye-bye knots wig. It's a 7x5. It's 22 inches. It's a water wave, Brazilian hair. Y'all, these wigs that Nadula released, they are like the ultimate in beginner friendly units. Like, it doesn't get any more beginner friendly. It doesn't get any more, you don't have to, it doesn't get any more easier than these. You don't have to pluck anything. You don't have to glue anything. All of that is out the window. Yes, I said window. Okay, look, how pretty. All right, let's look at this cap construction. Bomb, that's what it is. You get that 7x5 parting space. You get a comb in the back and some adjustable straps, and you have the slots for, I forgot to show that, the glueless band that comes to this wig, and it makes it lay so flush on your little bald head, okay? It comes with everything already done. Y'all look at that, right out the pack and just sitting on my hand. Pre-plucked, pre-everything. Like, everything has been done. All I'm gonna have to do is spray this unit down with some water and leave-in conditioner, and we will be good to go. So let's do that. I'm gonna attach this glueless band, put it on before I do anything to it, and let you guys see it. Spray it with some water, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. Y'all knew I was gonna go put that bow in. Y'all, I love these wigs. If you have never listened to me about anything else, trust me when I say you need to go to Nadula and you need to go look at some of these Bye Bye Knots wigs, because if you like the ease of synthetic but you want good quality, these are the wigs that you need. Like, I cannot speak at this point. If you just go back a few videos, all my human hair uploads have pretty much been Nadula, and they have been these Bye Bye Knots wigs, because that's how bomb they are. Not a single complaint about these units. I love the ease of them. I love the quality of them. I love the affordability of them. These are just some great units that I think everybody needs in their arsenal, whether you are a wig slayer or somebody like me that really can't comb hair. If you look down there in the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to where you can go and check out this particular wig, but I really do encourage you to look around on Nadula's site, because I promise you they have a unit up there or on there that you will absolutely love, y'all. This one is so cute. All I did was spray it down with some water and leave-in conditioner, and these curls just started popping, right? I love this one. I love it. I love it. I love it. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, y'all.